Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Other than needing the jacket, no major weather issues for this afternoon. That's going to change tomorrow as we do have some rain on the way. In fact, let's start with the rain part of the forecast first. No rain today, so we simply fast forward through this evening. This is 10 p.m. increasing clouds. For the morning commute tomorrow, there could be a few scattered showers around. Nothing really to impact things all that much. Then as we go later into the day around lunchtime, scattered showers. Notice what happens though. We go deeper into the day, especially towards the early evening and late evening. Some of these yellow colors representing the potential of some very heavy downpours. And this could impact the evening commute, not the morning commute, but the evening commute tomorrow. In addition, we'll get some pretty gusty winds and potential thunderstorms. By late Thursday night into Friday, this is out of here, only to usher in some cooler air, which we'll talk about in just a few minutes. Certainly cool today, but we'll leave you in the low category on the threat tracker tomorrow because of the rain and the wind into the medium category, and then back into the low category on Friday. Really pretty scene here from Echo Lake, despite the cool temperatures. Some nice ripples on the reservoir there in Pasco. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not picking up on any showers for now, but notice as we look to the west, the center of low pressure up near the Great Lakes. Now, fortunately, we will not get the colder side of the system, so no snow with this one, but we will be looking at some rain on the way as we head into tomorrow. Now, notice the core of the system is still fairly far away. You could see out near Chicago some pretty heavy rain showers. And in terms of when it gets here, likely not until about 12, maybe 15 hours until we see the first little raindrops from that system. Right now in Smithfield, we are at 39 degrees. The feel-like temperature is at freezing. And in Providence, 37 with a feel-like of 37 as well. So this afternoon, no big changes. Increasing clouds will kind of flatten out our temperatures, so you may add another few degrees from where you are right now. That would be about it for high temperatures. Upper 30s to low 40s from Westerly to Charlestown and Wickford. A pretty cool flow of air off of the water around 10 to 20 miles an hour from the south. Low 40s here in northern Rhode Island with 40 in Burrillville, 40 in Woonsocket, 41 in Johnston. And here in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also around 40 for highs with 40 in Seekonk, 41 in Attleboro, and 41 in Taunton. Tonight, a few showers. Temperatures actually climbing overnight through tomorrow morning. That's the opposite of what typically happens. But when we have a system like this, which has some mild air ahead of it, it does pick up those temperatures overnight. And in terms of rainfall amounts tomorrow, sure, we might get some ponding on some of the roadways out there. I'm not looking at widespread flooding, and overall amounts will average right around an inch. You can see our computer model kind of takes us throughout the day in most spots just shy of an inch, maybe a few isolated areas just over an inch. We'll obviously keep an eye on any potential street flooding issues. Friday, notice it's cooler, highs in the low 50s. Now Saturday, we're going to watch closely. High of only 45 degrees. And then Saturday night, a possible coastal storm with rain changing over to snow. Now this will be really dependent on the track of the system, so we need to look at more data in the coming days, and Tony will have another look at this thing overnight, or actually on this evening's newscast at 5 p.m. And then on Sunday, we're cooler down to 43 degrees. So unfortunately, over the next several days, the only milder day comes with some rain. And then as we go into next week, we're in the upper 40s on Monday, and then upper 50s Tuesday with some showers. And I had some people asking me, Patrick, at a school I was just visiting for Reading Week, when are the 70s coming? Well, it's going to take a while. Definitely not in the next 7 days. Kind of a cool and unsettled weather pattern taking over. And, you know, we'll be watching that situation for Saturday. We just want to emphasize possible coastal system. Depends on where it really sets up.
Better stay away.
Yes, we're going to try to kick it away.
All right. Thank you, Pete.
Yep.
Coming up tonight, starting live at 5.